right, guys, here's your core bytes, 112. So the first one says a magazine weighs 9 ounces. Do 6 magazines weigh more than 4 pounds? All right, so you've got to know your weights pretty much, okay? So a magazine weighs 9 ounces. Do 6 magazines weigh more than 4 pounds, okay? So basically, if each one weighs 9 ounces, 9 times 6 gives you 54, okay? There's actually 16 ounces in each pound, okay? So if you have 16 ounces in 4 pounds, that's going to give you 64. 54 is less than 64, so that would be no. For the next one, find the sum of 25,479 and 49,000. So all you have to do is line them up. So 25,479 and then 49,000. And then add them together. So I'm going to change colors. All right, 9 plus 0. 9 plus 0 is 9. 7 plus 0 is still 7. 4 plus 0 is still 4. 9 plus 5 would give you 14, so you're going to regroup that 1. 4, 5, 6, 7. So your answer is 74,479. For number 3, looking at these decimals, which one would work for this? So we have 39 hundredths and 225 thousandths. Okay? So it's actually going to be this is greater because with decimals you go by the number that's closer to the decimal. So here you have a 3, here you have a 2. 3 is larger than 2, okay? So that's how you know the answer for that one. And then the value of the missing angle, so you know part of the angle is 40. The other trick is, if you remember from the other day, this square right here tells us that this angle is 90 degrees. So all you have to do is then add 90 degrees plus 40 degrees, right? So 9 plus 4 is 13, add your 0. So that whole angle right here that goes all the way across, because you're adding both of these angles together, that would be 130 degrees. And then for the last one, what type of lines are presented here for this representation? So it's like an interstate. They go on, but they never cross, right? So these are called parallel lines. Parallel, okay? All right, guys, check yours.